Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Saturday, June 3rd, 2023, and what I have today is a one of probably my favorite residential ceiling fan, which is a NuTone Verandah Deluxe, complete with original switch cap. I remember these from my childhood, seeing them in various stores, and anyway, let's take it for a test spin, shall we? Oh, right, yeah. That. So basically this fan is a 2-speed. However, on the second speed, you can adjust the variable speed knob to switch it up to a faster setting. And this is as low as the fan will go on the variable speed knob. Now for the spin down. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel called The Fan Cave. Good night and good luck.